path to Siva. Lessons for youth. Lesson 20.
My question is, what are our holy scriptures?
What are our holiest texts? The Vedas and the many Agamas. What is Shruti? These large collections of religious books are called Shruti, that which is heard. This means they were revealed by God to Indian rishis long, long ago. For the Vedas, this possibly occurred more than 6,000 years ago. For many centuries they were chanted from memory, then finally written down in the Sanskrit language. The Rig, Sama, Yajur, and Atharva are the 4 Vedas. Each has a section on hymns, rites, interpretation, and philosophy. Many of the mantras chanted during temple worship are from the Vedas. The Upanishads are the most popular and mystical part of the Vedas. The Agamas date back about 2,000 years and are also in Sanskrit. Each major Hindu lineage has its own Agamas. There are 28 main Shaiva Siddhanta Agamas, each with 4 sections. The Agamas provide knowledge in temple design and construction, daily worship and festivals. They also provide teaching on meditation and Shaiva philosophy. The Vedas have been published in many languages, but the Agamas are not yet widely known. In addition to the Vedas and the Agamas, Shaiva Siddhanta has thousands of sacred books and songs. These comprise a vast body of secondary scriptures called Smriti, many of which are written in the Tamil language. A popular Smriti text is the Thirumarai, a 12-book collection of hymns composed by numerous Shaivite saints. Most important among these is the Thirumanthiram, a yogic treatise by Rishi Thirumala, recording the Shaiva tenets in 3,047 verses. The Thirumanthiram is prized for expressing a unified understanding of Siddhanta and Vedanta. Another important Smriti text is the Thirukkural, containing 1,330 couplets by the weaver saint Tiruvalluvar. The Thirukkural, one of the world's greatest ethical scriptures, is sworn on in South Indian courts of law. We also regard the writings of our Satgurus as scripture. Gurudeva says,
"If you desire to find the answer to any question intently enough, you can find the answer within yourself, or you can find it in our holy scriptures or books of wisdom."
In this lesson, we learn that both the Vedas and Agamas are part of Shruti, that which is heard. The Vedas possibly occurred more than 6,000 years ago. The Vedas were originally chanted from memory. The Rig, Sama, Yajur and Atharva are the 4 Vedas. The Upanishads are the most popular and mystical part of the Vedas. The Agamas are part of Shruti. They date back about 2,000 years and have a section on daily worship. The Tirumurai is a 12-book collection of hymns. They contain the Tirumanthiram by Rishi Tirumula and are part of our secondary scripture called Smriti.